Morning, guys. Thanks for coming to this meeting. As you know, you always want to ask yourself, what are you doing? But most importantly, why are you doing it? So guys, what exactly do we do here at Autoscope? Personalized customer service. That's exactly right. And I hope you don't mind me saying you're a mighty good looking fella. Thank you. So are you. How about you in the back? One of the best warranties in the industry. That's absolutely right. I like the way you think. All right. Anybody else? Factory trained technicians with updated factory tools. What about you, the shy guy in the front? Experts in our field. And we give you a complimentary hand car wash and vacuum as well. Good job, guys. That's just some of what we do here at Autoscope. But the big reason is why. And the reason is we just don't fix cars. We build relationships.
Autoscope, trust and value the way car repair should be.